is ripping.
My tummy hurts.
Pretty good. Right back.
All right, guys. Wednesday here, March 2nd, daily recap. Um, yeah, so let me get this pen. We had this. Ooh, don't want it that crazy. Jeez. So we went from pretty much -3 ATR, and we're kind of oversold, and we got the bounce. Now we're kind of kissing the 21 here. We do got an inside day here on NQ. Um, I looked at the daily charts of a lot of stocks, and a lot of them were kind of similar, kind of this W pattern, um, which a lot of times in a normal market, that's all it takes is you get that W formation, and then we're off to new all-time highs. But nothing in this market is telling me that we want to head to new all-time highs. We do have also a reversal on the weekly. I still got 2 days left of that, Thursday and Friday, and then this last one here didn't really um, do much the following week, so we kind of went down. I don't think we're going to go down. I think this might get us to go to the 21 day on the weekly, or at least get close to it, which is right around 15,000. That's it's still about 700, almost 750, 800 points away. So that it really depends what the markets do. But Feds came out today, and Powell said there's no way we're going to do 0.50, and we're going to do the 0.25 as expected. So I think that helped the markets kind of bounced today. The Dow up 569, NQ up 223, Russell up 48, and the ES up 75. So I'll pull up some charts here, and they're all going to look similar. I took a Tesla trade here based off this hourly squeeze. You see the 30-minute here looks fantastic, but let me show you the 1 hour. You see the 1 hour. I mean, it looks prime, ready to go. I saw the put credit spread for this week on it. Um, Momentum breaking through to zero. You got the RAF buy, and then the high compression squeeze on that, and we held the 21 here. The buy was here. I kind of missed it. I got in somewhere here, so it looks good for us to wake up, and we're up at 906. So if we gap up tomorrow, we're down a little bit after hours here. I don't know if some earnings hit, but NQ down a little bit. But if we open up, I'll take the quick profits and take that um, base hit in this market. But nice run here from 700 all the way up to pretty much 900 in a couple days. That was a definitely nice run. Um, and then gold, we do have that monthly buy. Um, I'm just waiting for some sort of pullback on this. Hopefully, I don't miss it. But the month looks great, ready to go. You got the momentum shift, everything is gravy. If we can get a pullback, even on the daily, um, to like 1879, even 1900, maybe we can buy that. Wonder what's the 21 on a weekly. Let me switch this. And the 21 would be too far. So we kind of hit +1. And it's tricky, but if we can get a nice decent pullback, that definitely be viable on some leaps. And then Bitcoin had that pop. We're sitting there. We did get the momentum shift. Nice momentum, positive divergence on the weekly chart there. You see that? Um, so we need to break this 45, 44, 45 level and break out. So we'll see how that goes. Take a look at Russell futures here. Daily squeeze here looks bullish. Can we get up all the way up to here? I don't know. That's a tough one. And then ES also is back at the 21. We just did get the momentum change today. So we might get to the two. I think the 200 is this line here. This is a bottom trend line, but I think the 200 is pretty much right around that area. So I think we might be able to test that and then roll over, get everyone to get in long, and then pull the rug on them. We'll take a look at some of the big boys. NQ, I mean, is up over 200 points, but you know, Amazon only up 18, was red a lot on the day. Apple decent day, up 333 right up to the 21. But if you look at the other guys, Google only up 10. So Microsoft better. So Microsoft, Apple leading the way there, and then Facebook up 462. Roblox still getting hit, 48. And where is? I picked up On as well. On looks good. Got the momentum shift on the daily. That looks really good. Got back over to 21. Momentum shift there. You got the buy signal and momentum breaking through the 0 line. So that's good. If we can get a bounce to plus 268, even this level. Let me see what that level is. About 67. Sell into that strength if we get that pop. And then what else did I want to look at? I wanted to look at the VIX. So VIX still kind of shifting up, but the momentum is heading down. We'll see how that goes. I would like a break of the 21. Get down to this level here. That would be nice for the markets. And then the put call ratio, what did we close at? 0.78. Kind of bouncing on -1 ATR here. 10-day average is still high at 0.86. And then the trend 0.53. Ooh. That might be why we're selling off here. I didn't even realize that we closed so low at 0.53. So keep an eye on that. We might get some selling overnight into tomorrow morning. Keep an eye on that level. It's 415. We just missed it. I was gonna grab some Q puts. That's all right. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Nothing too crazy. Just keep an eye out on the keep an eye on the Qs kind of leading the way, I think. If we can get back over to 21, even to +1 ATR, that'd be a good area to short. But keep an eye. We've got a bunch of intraday squeezes here, from 2 minutes all the way to 60 to 4-hour daily light compression. But let me take a look at the 60. Oh, this is the 60. So 1-hour squeeze looks good. We're getting a small pullback here. We went from almost 290 to 14,290 to 14,220. So about a 70-point drops in the last about 20-30 minutes. We'll probably come back to this level here on a 1 hour and then maybe head higher. 1 minute squeeze looks good though. Momentum shifting higher. So that looks good. So keep an eye on that. We'll see if we can get some strength into the rest of the week, maybe next week, and then get out of our longs and go short. But get some signals first before we enter, because nothing is good news, but you don't want to go short and then have a rally. I don't think we're going to hit new highs, but you just want to not short and lift through the rally that you're going to see. So we're getting there. We're almost there. I'd say give it a couple more days, see how we do for the rest of the week. A lot of the charts just started having this momentum shift to the upside, so usually that has a couple more days of follow through. So you see how we reversed here, and then this is kind of higher than that, so kind of a higher low. So we'll see. What I would like is something like this. Maybe come test this level, and then we roll over and make new lows. So that's what I have for today. I'll see you guys in the room for the members, and then I'll see you guys next Wednesday on the next one. Thanks, guys. Peace.